Hey guys, what's up? This is me Sonam Prajapati and welcome back to my channel Teach Tutorial Now. So friends, in this video I'm gonna teach you how to delete your Instagram account. So friends, let's start the video. So first of all friends, log in your Instagram account. After this, open a new tab and type here help.instagram.com. After this, enter, and after this friends, type here delete account and press the enter button. And after this friends, click on the first one. Here is showing instruction, and you have to click delete their account. And after this friends, click on the delete your account page. Go to your account page by clicking this button, and after this friends, you have to choose the reason why you are deleting account. So you have to choose any reason, too busy, too distracting, anything you can choose, you whatever you want. So you have to re-enter your password. So I'm re-entering my password. After this friends, you have to click permanently delete my account and your Instagram account will delete it. So this is very simple. Friends, thank you so much for watching this video. If you are new on my channel, just click on the subscribe button, press the bell icon button, and I'll see you soon with the new video. Till now, bye, take care.